organizers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading into CVS. It is January the 15th. I hope you guys have had an awesome weekend. Everything you see in this video before coupons and sales was $109, but we only spent about $15 out of pocket using only digital deals. As always, there's a printable breakdown in the description box. Please make sure that you check that out before you head in the store. Let's get started. So we're starting you off on an amazing moneymaker at CVS. I saw in the app we had a $5 manufacturer coupon for Neutrogena products, and I thought, I really need to check these face masks and see if they attach. And they do. So these are $3.59 each. We have that $5 manufacturer coupon that you see there on the app. Just make sure that you always scan your products to see what digital coupons attach. And this one does attach. So it's $3.59 using that $5 manufacturer coupon. It's going to make this a $1.41 moneymaker. I cannot believe we're picking this up already off the bat. A great deal. Next great deal. I love getting these paparazzi nail polishes. These are always on sale, 2 for $5. So they're $2.50 each. You're going to pay that $5 at the register, and then you're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks after you purchase that. So these paparazzi nail polishes are always 50 cents for one or $1 together. Some cute colors. So I like the L'Oreal shampoos, and this is actually something I haven't seen. This is the Hyaluronic Plump 72-hour hydrating one, and it has the hyaluronic acid in it. And I use that for my some of my facial stuff, so I'm excited about it. And they even have like the serum and all kinds of other stuff too. So I'm going to pick up this. Now these are usually $5.29, but they're on sale for $4.50 each. Well, you have to buy two, so it'll be $9. We do have a $3 coupon on the CVS app, and there's also a $3 printable coupon for the coupons.com app. And then you can use that together because there's a glitch. So you can use the $3 coupon on the coupons.com app and then the $3 coupon on the CVS app. And then you'll get back $3 in extra care bucks. Now with all of those, now with the two coupons that are $3 each and the $3 in extra care bucks, it'll make this totally free. So this is a freebie for you guys. Just make sure you print off the coupons.com printable before you come in the store. All right, check it out. So I am definitely picking this up. They have a promotion this week where if you spend $15 on like Airwick, Lysol products, all that, you'll get back $3 extra care bucks. So I was just happened to scan in my IBOTTA and my coupons app just to check, because you never know. But these are going to be like $2.90. That's a really good deal because these are $8.49 each. We use these constantly in my house, and I'm just going to pay $2.90 today. So here's the math. We're going to pick up 3 of these because I need to get to that $15 threshold. When I pick up 3, the total is going to be $17.97. There is a $1.75 coupon on the CVS app. Check your coupons app. You may have one on there, but I have a $1.75 coupon on the CVS app. Then, of course, we're going to get back that $3 in extra care bucks there. So, and then last, we're going to submit to IBOTTA up to 3, because there's a limit of 3 on there, $4.50, because there is a $1.50 on IBOTTA for each one. So $1.50, $1.50, $1.50 gives us a total of $4.50 back on IBOTTA. So with the $1.75 on the CVS app, the $3 return on extra care bucks, and the $4.50 from IBOTTA, our total for all 3 is going to be $8.72, or just $2.90 each. Great deal on the Airwick. Alright guys, I am passing on the spend 30, get $10 back with the P&G products over in the household section. I just don't have the deals or the coupons, but always check, scan the Tide items in the store. You just never know what you can put together. Also, don't forget that you can use some of the household products. I know that Bounty paper towels, the 6 count, that's a really good deal. These are usually $18.49 and they're just $8.99. So if you have that in your store, pick it up, but mine is sold out. But yeah, just check it out, see what deals you can make with these. And also, also check with the Bounty, because I think there's an IBOTTA rebate. That's probably why our store's cleaned out. But make some deals with that spend 30, get $10 back if you can, but I'm gonna pass on it this week. They have a really great deal on this Crest Pro Health Advanced. These are usually $3.69 each, but they're on sale for $2.99 this week. So what you're gonna do is pick up 2 of these, and the total will be $5.98. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the CVS app on one of these. So that will bring our total down to, $3.98. So $3.98 for that $2 coupon. And then we're going to get back $3 in extra care bucks when you buy 2. It's going to make this, after the extra care bucks and the $2 coupon, just 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. Alright, so our next deal is going to be on this Colgate Max Fresh. This is going to be a money maker, and I'm going to let you know at the end of the video if it doesn't work the way I think it will, but it should be a $2 money maker. So the Colgate Max Fresh is usually $3.99. They're on sale this week for $3.49. You're going to pick up 2 of these. Your total before any coupons is $6.98. We have a $4 digital coupon and a $2 digital coupon. Both of those should attach. If they don't, then I'll let you know, but that's $6 in digital coupons. Plus we'll get back $4 in extra care bucks. When we get back the $4 in extra care bucks, our money maker is going to be $3.02. Now, if that additional $2 digital coupon does not attach, then it'll just be a money maker of $1.02. So either it's going to be a $1.02 money maker or a $3.02 money maker, but either way, it's going to be a great money maker. Pick it up. This is my deal of the day. These CVS brand wipes are such a great deal. They are $7.49. These are like the packs that you can that have like the little pop top on them, and they're buy one get one 50% off. So if we did the math on that and we bought 2 packs, it would be like saying they're $5.62 each. Now, in order to get to that spend 30, get $10 back on the household beverages, all that baby personal care, you need to get to that $30 threshold. Now, what I did was I picked up 6 packs of these. My total was $33.72. Because I have the Care Pass that most of you have, then that's going to be 20% off for me. So that's about $6.74. Then I was able to use that $6 off CRT for any CVS Health baby products. Now, I do have 2 CRTs, but only one came off. So that $6.74 with the Care Pass, the $6 CRT for the baby, and getting back $10 in extra care bucks because I spent $30 will bring my total for 6 big packs of these wipes at $10.98. And I just want to put the picture on the screen for you again, guys. These are like the multi-pack of wipes. Some of these packs had 2 in a pack or 3 in a pack, but these were the large packs of wipes. So I think this is a great deal, coming from like over $7.50 all the way down to about $1.50, 75 cents each on these wipes. So I really think you guys need to pick these up. It is such a great deal. And I don't have any babies in my house, but I do have friends that have baby showers and that sort of thing. So we're going to be getting these wipes for about, $1.83 each for the big packs. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. Please make sure that if you like this video, that you give it a thumbs up. Comment below your favorite deal of the day. Also, smash that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all. I would love to have you come back to my channel. Also, if you would like to join me on my Instagram, TikTok, and my Facebook, it is the same handle, Praising and Saving. Don't forget about the printable breakdown in the description box. You don't have to print it off. You can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store. All right, guys, have a blessed weekend.